वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं दी एथ न्यूमेरिकल फ्रॉम दी एक्सरसाइज फॉर द चैप्टर साउंड, जो कि है एथ चैप्टर आपके 11th स्टैंडर्ड फिजिक्स का. लेट्स स्टार्ट. क्वेश्चन सेज इफ द वेलोसिटी ऑफ साउंड इन एयर at a given place on two different days of a given week are in the ratio 1 is to 1.1. ठीक है. Then assuming the temperatures on the 2 days to be same, what quantitative conclusion can you draw about the conditions on the 2 days? So the question is very easy. Just be with me. So we are measuring the velocity of sound in air at a fixed place. But we are measuring it on 2 different days. So day 1 पर हम एक velocity measure करेंगे and day 2 पर हम एक और velocity measure करेंगे. So let me write it as is using a statement. So let v1 and v2. So जैसे मैंने बोला कि हमने velocity measure करी है on 2 different days. So v1 and v2 be the velocity of sound on day 1 and day 2. On day 1 and day 2. And when we take a ratio, so ratio का मतलब है if v1 is to v2, so इन दो दिन के measurement का अगर ratio लेंगे, so that ratio is said to be 1 is to 1.1. This indirectly tells us that therefore v1 divided by v2 gives us the value 1 divided by 1.1. This was the question till now. Second चीज जो क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है इन द सेकेंड पार्ट कि टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट. Why is this being told? Because हमने नोटिस किया है कि velocity में difference ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. Because v1 is not same as v2. Otherwise the ratio would have been 1 is to 1. So velocities are changing, but and we know that the one of the parameters that the velocity of sound depends on is the temperature. But उन्होंने specifically बोला है कि temperature is not changing on both the days. Then find what is that one factor which is causing this change in velocity. So they have asked us to find our conclusion because of which जो है velocity change हो रहा है, and they are specifically talking about the condition कि क्या ऐसी condition रही होगी on day 1 जो day 2 पे नहीं थी या day 2 पे थी और day 1 में नहीं थी, because of which we observe a change in velocity. So let's try to find out. ठीक है. So we are with our statement where v1 divided by v2 is equal to 1 divided by 1.1. Now, as 1 divided by 1.1, we can say that our numerator is smaller and denominator is larger. और ऐसा जब भी केस होता है, so when we divide a smaller number with a larger number, उसका जो resultant होता है that is always less than 1. ठीक है, ये हमेशा point में आएगा आंसर. So 1 divided by 1.1 is less than 1. Therefore, I can say that if I were to divide v1 and v2, the answer will be less than 1 always. ठीक है, this indicates that v1 must be smaller than v2. So I'll quickly rearrange. So I can say that v2 is greater than v1. Now what does this conclude? Well, as a conclusion, this says that the velocity of sound on day 2, ठीक है, जो day 2 पे हमने measure की थी, that is greater. So it is greater than velocity of sound measured on day 1. So velocity of sound measured on day 1. ठीक है, सो ये एक छोटा कंक्लूजन है. नाउ वी नो फॉर अ फैक्ट, ठीक है, सो वी आर गोना राइट वन फैक्ट कि वी नो, ये हमने इस चैप्टर में पढ़ा था कि स्पीड ऑफ साउंड व्हेन एयर इज मॉइस्ट, ठीक है, जब एयर में ह्यूमिडिटी हो या मॉइस्चर हो, सो व्हेन एयर इज मॉइस्ट इज ग्रेटर than the speed of sound when air is not moist, meaning जब air dry हो. So it is greater than speed of sound when air is dry. ठीक है, सो ये कंडीशन वाला चेंज है. तो टेम्परेचर में तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, बट ऐसा तो जरूरी नहीं है कि ह्यूमिडिटी भी कांस्टेंट रहे. सो द गेम इज कि ह्यूमिडिटी इज चेंजिंग एज अ कंडीशन. सो मे बी एक दिन ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा होगी, सो मीनिंग एयर वाज मॉइस्ट, एंड दूसरे दिन ह्यूमिडिटी कम होगी. ठीक है, सो नाउ वी हैव टू फिगर आउट ऑन विच डे एग्जैक्टली द ह्यूमिडिटी वाज ज्यादा. सो एज यू कैन सी, जिस दिन पर स्पीड ऑफ साउंड वुड बी ग्रेटर, उस दिन ह्यूमिडिटी ज्यादा होगी, बिकॉज दैट इज द प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज हाउ स्पीड एंड ह्यूमिडिटी आर रिलेटेड. So speed is greater when the air is moist, and as you can see day 2 पे जो थी वो speed ज़्यादा थी. So I can say that day 1 must have been a dry day, because of which जो speed of sound was lesser, and day 2 was a moist day, because of which the speed of sound was a little greater. So the conclusion, हमारा जो end conclusion है, जो कि question में हमसे पूछा था, write a conclusion about the condition of the day. So from the fact and from these two facts, that is the velocity का comparison and the humidity का relation, we conclude, so we conclude, हम ऐसे एक statement लिखेंगे, we conclude that the air must be dry on day 1, so day 1 पे air जो है वो dry थी, and it must be moist on day 2, hence day 2 पे measure की हुई velocity was greater, so dry on day 1 and it must be moist on day 2, must be moist on day 2, and this is our conclusion for the condition of both the days. So as we saw, since the velocities had changed and question said that temperature में change नहीं हुआ है, so then we have to figure out some other parameter which is causing the change in velocities, and that parameter turned out to be the moisture content in the air. So अगर आपको इस particular answer का solution चाहिए तो make sure you check the description. Have a nice day.